Hello, welcome back to my channel. Now let's practice English. Now we are going to learn. Listening practice. Question and answer. Listen and answer. Shadowing practice. Your English will improve. But before that, please like and subscribe. So let's begin.
Hello, my name is Emily.
Hello, Emily, I am Kevin. It's such a beautiful day to be here with you.
It really is Kevin.
Let's take a sit there.
Fine, let's go.
So how was your day?
It was good. How about you?
My day was kind of bad, but still okay.
Why, what happened?
In the morning, I woke up late, and after that, I quickly went to change my clothes. And I went for my office, but in the middle of there was so much rush. So I reached office 30 minutes, then my boss scolded me. After when I went for lunch to the canteen, then I realized I didn't brought my wallet. I didn't have the lunch because I was having $30 which were for my taxi. At evening,
Oh, I am sorry to hear that.
by the way, are you a student?
No, I am not. I work in a company.
Do you like it here?
Yes, I do like here.
How long are you here?
6 months.
Where do you live?
I live near the factory.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my friends.
Are you married?
No, I am single.
What time is it?
It's 4 p.m.
What is the date?
It's 15th of December.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7:30 a.m.
What time do you have lunch?
At 1 p.m. Hello. Right now. Okay, I am coming. My friends are calling me for shopping. We will talk later.
Okay, can I get your number?
Okay, it's 12345 12345.
We will stay in touch.
Okay.
This was phase 1 listening practice. In the next part, we will do questions and answer. Please like and subscribe. Bye.